Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Ida. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm partnering up with Sephora to bring to you guys in this video my top favorite products from the next big brands available exclusively at Sephora. So these are the three that I picked out and I'm actually wearing them all today in this video. I'm going to go through my application, the tutorial, and the first one I chose was this amazing palette from Melt Cosmetics, the Impulsive Pressed Pigment Palette. And let me tell you guys, like, these colors are so beautiful, it's unbelievable. So I actually did this beautiful eyeshadow look with using this palette, and honestly you guys, like, I just love it so much. It just has the best colors for transition, for your lid, for crease, and there's just so many beautiful different colors to choose from that you can always switch up your look depending on what you're going for. And so I kind of wanted to go for a more like neutral glam kind of thing, and so I'm going to show you guys how I created this look. So this beautiful palette is an 18 shade palette of brilliant metallics and bold mattes. So for my transition color, I used the color Dream Big. This is such an amazing color for your transition. It has like an orangey coral color to it, a nice warm, like, you know, medium orange brown color, and I like to use that type of color for my transition. I think it just brightens up the face more and just kind of opens up your eyes, and it just kind of blends really well with whatever color you choose to put on your lid or even in the crease. And so I make sure to kind of buff it all out and just really kind of blend it in. And if you want, you can always add more onto it because this eyeshadow is very buildable. So if you want to go for a more softer look, just kind of put one layer in and make sure to really buff it out really well. Okay, so one of my favorite colors from the palette is the Pop-In Bottles one right here. As you can see, it's a beautiful, like, shimmery goldish color. And so I actually put that on my lids, and it's just such an amazing color. It just really pops and stands out and just brightens up your eyes and your face. And so I just use my fingers and I kind of lightly dab on the color. It's very highly pigmented, so you don't really need to use too much, but it's also very buildable as well. And then just to kind of tie in the whole look together, I went in with my crease with the color Bold, which is right here. So it's like a nice, like, matte, like, brownish color, and I just love how it just ties in the look so well because it goes really good with the transition color and the lid color. And I kind of like using a bit more of like a matte, darker color in the crease just to tie in everything together. And what I did was I took the brush and I kind of winged it out to kind of make it look like a cat eye, which I love so much. And it was very easy to use with this color because this color is just so highly pigmented, you only need a little bit. And so to brighten up my inner corners, I actually just went ahead and I used the Pop-In Bottles color again, the same one I used for my lids. And I also went in with the color Bold, the same color I used for my crease. I went in lightly underneath my eyes, and that kind of just completed the look for like a nice, like, night out look. Once I put in my mascara, my eyeliner, this is the final look. It just looks so beautiful, you guys. I love this palette so much, and this is like my go-to look when I'm going out. So that's what I did for my eyes. So I'm going to share with you guys the next product that I chose, and it's from Artist Couture, the Diamond Lip Tease Lip Gloss, and it's so pretty, you guys. So the shade that I tried for this one is La Freak, and so I love this one so much, and honestly they have so many good color shade ranges in this one. I just happen to like this one the best. I love, like, the actual applicator to it. I love, like, the shape of it and how it's just, like, so easy to apply. I love the high shine. And I love how moisturizing it is. I wasn't expecting it to be so moisturizing, but it really is moisturizing. It has like a nice metallic shine to it, and it definitely lasts for a really long time, which I love so much. Some lip glosses, for some reason, I put it on and it's like gone within like 30 seconds. But this one, I think it's because the formula is like kind of a bit thicker, but not too thick. Okay, so my last product that I chose is this beautiful body oil, which is from Patric, the Major Glow Body Oil. This is probably the most beautiful body oil I've ever used in my life. So this body oil comes in 3 different shades, and the one I got was called a Vision Rosé. It's so beautiful, you guys. I actually have some on from earlier on today, and it's still shining like crazy. So I just sprayed a little bit on my hands or straight onto the body and just kind of gently massage it into my skin, and as you can see right away, you see that major glow, you guys. So not only does it really like illuminate the skin and just kind of has this beautiful glow to the skin, it actually also moisturizes my skin as well, making my skin feel really, really soft. So I was really, really happy about that as well. And honestly, you guys, oil goes a long way. You don't have to spray that much onto the skin. And so I basically put it all over my collarbone and on my chest. I put it on my shoulders, even on my arms. And if I'm wearing shorts or just like going out, put on my legs, anywhere that you want like your body to shine and to really, really glow. The fragrance includes notes of jasmine, white musk, and saffron. And so this is like Patric's signature scent. It smells so yummy and just so fresh but yummy at the same time. It's very, very hard to explain, you know, but you just have to smell it. Okay guys, so those are the products that I chose, and as you guys know, Sephora is like the go-to place for all your beauty finds, especially when you want to get the latest of the latest and the next big up-and-coming brands. And so I'm very happy to be able to share with you guys because I love beauty, as you guys know, and I love being able to try like new skincare, new hair care, new palettes, and I hope you guys like them as well. Let me know in the comments below which one was your favorite ones I talked about. If you guys are interested in those products, go ahead and go to your local Sephora store to shop or visit online. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!